Welcome to H Greg Lux. Here we have a 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any scratches at all or any paint chips. See a scratch on the back bumper right here. So another scratch right here. Yeah, I'm not seeing any other dents or scratches, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Okay, now we're going to have a look inside. Driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. The passenger side looks good as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Let's start off with the center console. Alright, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all here. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.